Presenting the 2008 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Call today to schedule a test drive.